Good afternoon, Bluebeamers. My name is Troy DeGroot with U Chapter 2, and I'm excited to partner with the team at Brighter Graphics to deliver world-class Bluebeam training and customization services so you can get the most out of your Bluebeam investment. This time around, I'm going to be showing you several of the tips and tricks I've accumulated over the last several years teaching and customizing Bluebeam Revu. Next one in the edit is the Snapshot. I love this tool. It works great for RFIs or building custom tools. We go over how to build custom tools in our estimating basics course, and we use the snapshot tool. I'm going to show you how when I draw a window here, it's going to flash blue and take a picture of it. And from there, I could come into my template files. So if I go into my RFI form, you'll see these are all templates. I can build my own or use the one that Bluebeam has. If you click on the pencil, it's actually going to open it up so you can edit it and save it. So if you want to put a custom header or footer on it or anything like that, if I go into that RFI form, you'll see here that it's an electronic form. I can click and fill in. If I go to the second page of my template, I always like to be a blank page so it's ready to paste that image from my clipboard. So I can paste that in directly from the drawing and use that for my RFI or any other sort of document that I want to create. Okay. And that should bring us right up to the end. I hope you've captured some good notes with these time-saving tips and tricks you can apply immediately to your workflows this afternoon. Reach out to Darren and his team at Brighter Graphics to learn more about additional licenses of Revu Extreme or the small investment of upgrading your existing seats. And as always, if you have any questions regarding training or customization services for your company, don't hesitate to reach out to our team as well.